Hello, this is my 2003 Ford F-150 4.2 liter V6. It's the XL package. I'll give you a quick walk around. I'm trying to get the license plate. Looks real good. Look at some of the tread. It's still got plenty of tread left. All tires. Yeah, it's a nice little truck. It just has over 100,000 miles. Let's go inside. Like I said, XL package, gray interior, bench seat, 5-speed manual, not even a tachometer. Let's go inside. All right, here we go. I'll start her up. Clutch in. Starts right up. There's the number for you guys. 100 519. So far on a full tank of gas, I've driven 121 miles and my gas gauge looks like that. So not too bad, I guess, for a full-size truck. Like I said, 5-speed. I'll rev it up a little bit. You can hear it in the inside. I don't know how many RPMs it's at, but open the window. Roll up windows, regular locks, nothing fancy here. Here we go. Yeah, it's all stock. That doesn't have anything special to it. Now I guess we can hop to an exhaust clip, so let's go. Oh, I forgot to show you guys under the seat. This right here, lots of free space. Got this slim toolbox, kind of nice. It needs to be painted though. Here's the exhaust. There it is, guys. I hope you like my truck.